You guys ready?
Yes.
You may put your math. Erica will pass these out. Everyone will get one of these. And you are not completing the whole thing front and back at one station. This is across the different stations. But I made it simple onto one clean piece of paper. That way you don't have to carry 5 or 3 pieces. You guys ready? Pizza made to order. You are given different order of pizza, and you have to create the pizza. Okay, so when you come to this station over here, you are the expert in making pizza. Yes.
I noticed on one of those robots that on 2 of the square units, they put it into 1/2.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So like I said, you see fractions everywhere you go. So raise your hand if you don't know what to do at this station. Different geometric shapes, and you are finding the relationship between the different shapes for one shape with another shape. Raise your hand if you don't know what to do.
Is this your original?
Chad and Riley are not here, so you can give that to someone. Questions at this group. So you need to get the geometric shapes, Mahari, in order to figure out the relationship between one shape with another shape. Okay? Word problems that you have to figure out, and I've put all the materials that you need in this box. You have glue and scissors. Each one of you will only get one of these fraction strips. You are not getting more than one, only one. You only need one. Okay? You can discuss it with your partner over here as to how you should solve these 2 problems. Oh, they're all over here. Okay? Questions so far? Well, bingo. I'll put them over here. I prefer you sitting at your desk because it might get messy if you do it on the floor and then all the stuff are everywhere. So I'm going to leave these here. Okay? Moving this way. At the computer station, I have put different math websites that you can go in and play different games over here. Make sure you go in order. The first one is a fraction game where you have to name the part over the whole, which is the numerator over the denominator. Then the next one, you are using a number line to find equivalent fractions. You have to play around with the e-manipulatives. Okay? Yes.
There's 4 people at each group.
Right. You are working with a partner. Okay? So when you go to the computer station, you are working with a partner. You are pairing up with someone. But Candace and Gregory, you guys are going to have to work by yourself. Unless you choose to work with each other. Okay? I have put the directions on the table for you. You just have to go through it. All has to do with fractions. Any questions so far? Yes.
Okay. How are we supposed to know where
2 fourths of hers. Model what they each ate. Compare the amounts eaten by each girl. Who ate more of their candy bar? Justify your answer using words, pictures, and models.
Okay, so looking at this task, there is. What are we doing with the fractions? 1/2 and 2/4. What are we doing?
Comparing.
What are we doing?
Comparing.
We are comparing. So do you need to cut out everything here? So what do we need to cut out?
Only the half and
Only the half and the
fourth.
fourth. So let's cut out the half and the fourth, and then what do we do with the half and the fourth?
we shade them in.
Oh, do we need to shade them in?
No, we have to put a line like trace.
Okay, talk about it. Talk about it. What does that mean when one person, which is Rachel, she ate 1/2 of hers? What does that mean? Right. Right. What about Haley, who ate 2/4 of hers?
So you have to cut the line off and put it like right next to each other.
Okay, you guys talk about it with your group and decide how you're going to solve that problem. Because the question is asking you, who ate more of their candy bar? You have to justify using words, numbers, and pictures. I don't know. Do they? How do you know that?
Because it's the same length, but it's just cut in different.
Okay.
It's very much equivalent.
Okay, you have to explain that to me. How do you know they ate the same amount? You have to show me. How do you know know to divide your pizza into 8
When
pieces?
we were
Right?
looking
One
at
person at a
when
time.
we were looking at it, we noticed that all of it was 8. Because at first I was confused. I was like, are we supposed to put 1/8? But I'm like, wait, that doesn't make sense. So we need to do 8 slices. That sounded more
How do you know 8 slices?
because it all ended with 8, and that's the whole. Because it's the
Okay.
denominator.
Okay, so now you are designing your pizza. You're gonna have to do it fast, right? Because you're gonna have to create your own pizza at the end. So you have divided your pizza into 8 pieces, and it say that the person would like to order a pizza that is 1/8 green pepper. So what does that mean?
We need to put green shading. Well, not shading. Cause remember, we need to put one like green dot in for
On how many pieces? On how many pieces? Why one?
because it says 1/8. So
Okay.
that's 1.
Okay. You guys are a good start right now.
Yay! Oh, you already did it.
I know my pizzas are a little bit big over here. So
We're not using
yeah.
it. We're just gonna draw.
And make sure you are using your time. You're looking at the time because right now.